Hey y'all, this your girl Sharice, baby. I told y'all I'd be back because I'm on that. But today we are making crustless chicken Popeye. Now I put something together because this is what I gotta do. I gotta eat, right? I gotta eat. So y'all come along with me and do this. I got my chicken already on, and what I done was I got a chicken breast, skinless, boneless chicken breast, and I chopped it up in cubes. And I'm sauteing it with butter. And the only thing I use on it is salt and pepper. That's all you need, some salt and pepper. That's it. So it's cooking now. And what else I done, like I said, I'm playing it by ear. What I done was this. Hold on, let me get it. You supposed to use frozen vegetables. So what I done, I don't have any frozen vegetables. So what I done is I drank this. I drank this can of mixed vegetables and I put them in the refrigerator, in the freezer. I put them in the freezer. See, they froze. So we're gonna finish cooking this meat and put a half stick of butter in here. You know, to saute your meat. Y'all, if I'm messing up, look. I'm just going with the flow. I'll turn this fire up because I had it on here already for maybe 5 minutes. And when you freeze your vegetables, let them freeze for about an hour unless you already have the frozen vegetables. But I'm going to show y'all the budget way. So what y'all been up to today? Been a slow day. A slow day. Y'all see I braided my hair. Just look at them edges. Them edges is in there. So I braided my hair, but I done them short and kind of thin because I don't want to keep pulling on it and start back getting the patches in my head. Walking around looking like nickels, quarters, pennies, dimes. So I don't want to do that. And I pulled it up so I'm going to get no hair in the food. I turn my fire up a little bit so it can, you don't want it to brown. You want it to be light, just light. You don't want that crisp on there. Okay, I'm going to show y'all how the chicken cubes look. See that? Just some cubes. Okay, we're going to do that. Now we're going to put our frozen vegetables in there. Mix. Yeah, I don't want all that. Y'all looking good already? Y'all had 2 cans of the mixed vegetables, but I didn't use them all because that'd be too much. I want some of that clean. Okay, we gonna stop beating it up. We just gonna let it go ahead and cook. Yeah, it's hot. You know the thing is kicking out hot air. Yeah, it's supposed to like kick out central air, but it's kicking out hot air for some reason. And as we go, we gonna sample. I want to sample the vegetables and make sure they have a little taste to them. And one thing you don't want to do, you don't want to add that much seasoning because I'm about to use this Campbell cream of chicken, and everybody know that's already high sodium. So you don't need that much seasoning because this is gonna do the job right here. I want to taste a little small piece of this chicken. Let's see how it tastes. Yep. And the reason why I didn't add any seasoning salt to it, because seasoning salt, when you sauteing something, seasoning salt would turn your meat to like red. And we don't want to do that. We want to eat this Popeye with red chicken. That's not how they do that. Just a little bit more salt. Not much, just a little bit. And the reason why you wanna freeze the canned vegetables because they come out they soft. So just freeze them so your stuff won't be mushy. Uh-oh. Y'all ain't see that. Get on my business. Y'all ain't see that. I'm turning my fire down some. And this do have to go in the oven. They gotta go in the oven. So everything could combine together. Yeah. All right, y'all, what I'm about to do now, I'm about to add the cream of chicken to this. Turn it on low. Y'all making a mess. Turn it on low. I'm going to add a little water to it. Y'all, it's starting to look like a real Popeye up in here. Come check this out. Look at that. Look at that there. Looking like a real Popeye. Oh, yeah. You mix all that goodness together. That greatness. And let me tell you, one video I was watching, and I was sauteing my onions. Man, I was tearing that skillet up. All you hear is choo, choo, choo. So I'm trying not to do that because that bothers me. So I ain't gonna bother y'all. I ain't gonna work y'all nerves with the scraping of that dang on skillet. Okay, and then what we do next, I'm gonna turn this off. I'm gonna turn it off, and I'm gonna turn the oven on. Cause we gonna put it in the oven, make it like 20 minutes, just so it can like brown on top. Okay, let's do that there. Get your breadcrumbs. This is my breadcrumbs. Okay, you're gonna use your breadcrumbs. That's what I'm using right here. You're gonna sprinkle that on there. Uh-oh, look at them. And then you're gonna put it in the oven for, I want to say like 15 minutes or until it brown. So y'all stay tuned, and I'm about to throw this in the oven. And we're gonna come back and we're gonna eat. Show y'all taste. All right, y'all, I'm back. The food is done. Here's how I look. And we're gonna try this together. But y'all wanna hear something so crazy? I had to end my video because my cousin was screaming. And she was screaming because she hit the lottery. And I'm like, I'm doing a video. You screaming like that? Come on now. Don't do that. Okay, y'all, we gonna have this much. A little taster. Hold on, let me get my spoon, my fork. Say it's good. This how I look, you guys. Okay, let's taste it. It's steaming, just got out the oven, y'all. And I ain't gonna lie to y'all, it's nasty, it's nasty. I'm gonna throw the whole skillet in the garbage. But let's see. Y'all. Tastes like the real chicken pie. I did that. But all right, y'all, I'm about to eat. I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.